Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to embed a chatbot on your Wix website. Adding a chatbot is a fantastic way to engage with your visitors in real time, answer their questions instantly, and provide better customer support without being online 24/7. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From here, click on Website. This ensures you're working specifically on your website rather than any mobile app version you might have set up. From here, you can preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment to make sure that this is the website you wish to embed or add a chatbot to. This step is important because if you manage multiple websites, you want to be certain you're editing the correct one to avoid any confusion later on. From this page, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically beside a pen icon, making it pretty easy to spot. Click on it to proceed. This button is your gateway to customizing and editing the visual elements of your website. You will now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens in terms of design and functionality. Start by locating the Add Elements button located on the left navigation menu. Click on it and an expanded menu will appear, showing you all the different elements you can add to your site, from text boxes to images and interactive features. From the expanded menu, locate the button's elements and click on it. From here, you'll see different button types that you can use for your Wix website. These buttons serve various purposes, from linking to other pages to triggering actions. Under the list of buttons, look for the Wix Chat button and click on it. This is specifically designed to integrate chat functionality seamlessly into your site. You'll see two samples of a Wix Chat button that you can add or embed to your website. These samples differ slightly in style, so choose the one that best matches your website's design and aesthetic. Once you've made your choice, simply drag it onto your website canvas. Position it where you want it to appear, typically in a corner where it's accessible but not intrusive. And that's it, you've successfully embedded a chatbot on your Wix website, making it easier for visitors to reach out and connect with you instantly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.